What's up, tech enthusiasts? Today we're taking a close look at Base 44, an AI apps builder that's been gaining traction this year. Whether you're a startup founder, a freelancer, or just someone with a great app idea, this tool claims to make app development a breeze. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around as I uncover the good, the bad, and everything in between. Let's get started. Base 44 is a no-code AI app builder that aims to simplify the process of creating applications for anyone, regardless of technical skills. The platform offers a range of templates and tools to design, prototype, and deploy apps with minimal effort. One of its biggest strengths is the AI integration, which helps automate tasks like design adjustments and functionality setup, saving users a ton of time. On the downside, the customization options, while decent, might feel restrictive for advanced users who want more control over their app's features. The pricing structure is another consideration. While there's a free tier, unlocking the full potential of Base 44 requires a subscription, and the costs can add up. Some users have also reported occasional bugs, though updates seem to address these over time. For quick, simple apps, Base 44 is a fantastic tool, but if you're aiming for something highly complex, you might hit its limits. Base 44 offers 5 pricing tiers: Free $$ Mo, Starter 16 Slays Mo, Builder 40 Slay, and Elite 16 Fime. The free plan includes core features with limited credits, while paid tiers offer increasing message and integration credits, plus additional perks like custom domains, GitHub integration, and premium support. All plans have monthly billing, with a 20% discount for yearly payments. Enterprise solutions are also available for custom needs. And that's a wrap on my Base 44 review. If you've tried it out, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment and let's discuss. Make sure to like this video if it helped you out, and hit subscribe so you don't miss our future deep dives into the latest tech tools. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep innovating.